So Redtiger has launched the most anticipated update, or should I say the upgrade, to its flagship dash camera, the Redtiger F77. So the previous model had a built-in 128GB eMMC storage, which was kind of not sufficient for most people who were looking to buy that camera. It gave you around like 4 to 5 hours worth of storage, but that was not probably enough. So Redtiger has heard from its customers and has now launched a upgraded 256GB internal storage variant that should give you close to 8 to 10 hours worth of footage straight up inside the dash cam. This also gets a memory card slot, but of course do note that you cannot write directly to the memory card slot. You can transfer the videos from the internal storage to the memory card slot, freeing up the space in the internal storage. So that is kind of like doubling the storage right there. So this is still a very good win. This is still a great thing introduced by Redtiger, and this camera is now being called as the Redtiger F77 V2. That's the version 2. And we already know how good the F77 dash cam is. Gives you the world's first dual 4K Dual Starvis-2 sensors. No camera has been able to provide a 4K resolution at the rear backed with a Starvis-2 IMX678 except the F77. I mean, I've brought up a super detailed review video of the F77 previously. You can just check out that video. Pretty much the camera is exactly the same, but you get an upgraded 256GB storage instead of the 128GB. But here's the twist. The camera is now bumped up in terms of price. So in case if you're buying the 128GB variant, you will get it at a price of about 28,000 rupees. But if you do want the 256GB variant, you will get it close to about 32,000 rupees. But there's one more twist. If you do purchase using the link given in the description directly from the Redtiger website, you can get a free hardwire kit along with the dash camera at the same price. You get basically discount of 3,000 rupees on the F77 currently in the sale right now. So you don't have to wait for those Prime Day sales that are coming up. Straight up discounts are available right now on the website using the link given in the description. Go ahead and grab it right now with some crazy discounts right there. And especially if you're looking to monitor your car when the car is parked, and if you want a hardwire kit, why spend extra money to buy a hardwire kit when you can get it for free? But do note that the prices on Amazon and the prices on the website are pretty much similar right now, which means the Redtiger F77 is available at about 32,000 on Amazon, but without the hardwire kit. But at the same price on the website, you will get it with the hardwire kit. Now that's an easy decision now where to purchase from. Go ahead with the website using the link given in the description below. Now do note that the discounts are now currently available on all the premium Redtiger dash cams, including the Redtiger F7N Elite, the previous gen F17, and the F7N Elite as well. So I'll give you the links for all the popular Redtiger dash cams right down below in the description. Just check out their prices on the website, and of course always make sure to add in the free hardwire kit before you add the dash cam to the cart and purchase it with the extra discount with the free hardwire kit. And don't waste this opportunity and don't wait for the Prime Day sale. This is the best time to grab your favorite Redtiger dash cams, and you should not be missing this chance. That being said, if you do want any more info regarding any of the Redtiger cameras, I have made review videos on almost all of them. Make sure to check out those videos. I'll give you a link in the description. And if you do have any doubts or queries, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you in getting some discounts and saving yourself some money, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking to get some discounts in this upcoming Prime Day sale and get themselves a dash cam for their car. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.